Are you tired of printing, signing, and scanning HR documents because Gusto's e-signature feature is buried? Learn how to send any document for electronic signature in under 5 minutes. I'll show you the exact clicks to upload your document, assign the recipient, place signature fields, and send it for e-signature. All right, open up Gusto and land on the company dashboard. From there, click on Documents. Go ahead and hit Add Document. Then click Upload Files. Now, type the recipient's name. Then click on Recipients Need to Fill Out or Sign. Click Continue to move ahead. And hit Save and Continue to keep things rolling. Next, click on Zip. And then click on Zip once more. Click on Highlight to select it. Then click on Signing Date. After that, click on Admin Signature. Then hit Save and Continue. Now click on Signature. Then click on Signature again. Hit Save and Continue to move on. Click Continue. Type in Highlight. Then type in Highlight again. Click on Sign and Approve. Then click on I agree to electronically sign this form. Click Sign and Approve again to confirm. Finally, click Send Document. And that's it. You're all done. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.